This is the Black Cyber Podcast. The revolution is streaming now. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Black Cyber Podcast. This is your host, George McPherson. Today's episode is called Cyber. It's no longer the Holy Grail, but it's still a game changer. This is episode 23. So I know we've all been aware in recent years, uh, tech and more, probably more surprisingly, cyber has started to perform layoffs in unprecedented numbers. Big tech companies like Amazon, Meta, Microsoft have made headlines, with some recent downsizing in an industry where not too long ago um, we kind of felt safe in our positions. Um, Kind of felt like our positions may have been layoff proof, and I know that's just kind of a silly term to even say, especially now. Um, with recent news, I mean, it's been hard to stomach. My hearts go out to those that were just trying to make a better life for their family. I've been laid off twice. It doesn't feel good. It's definitely a shot to your ego and your peace of mind, um, from, feeling secure and feeling like cyber was a pretty essential position that um, maybe would not be laid off. I think a lot of us, it's definitely been a reality check. Um, but I say all this to say just a quick post for today. I really want to remind all of us that's in cyber right now and cybersecurity career hopefuls that, we are getting a kind of uh, painful dose of reality. But I still want us to remember this, in tech and cyber is still absolutely worth it. Um, there's not many industries that without a college degree, you can build generational wealth legally, creating more opportunities for you and your family. So I just want to end this and say, use some sports analogies here. I mean, you may take some penalties. Um, you may be down some points, but find a way to get back in the game. If you haven't worked in cybersecurity, find a way to let the coach put you in the game. When it's all said and done, it will be worth it. Um, we as a community will be here for you. Um, I know my colleagues would be here for me. Strong community on LinkedIn. Be here to hold each other up, to help each other out. That's why networking is important. Give pep talks, motivation when needed, and we will be here along the way. So it's been a tough time in tech, tough time in cyber. But all in all, I feel these industries are still game changers and far as changing your life. I know it's changed my life for the better. Um, Gave me and my family opportunities. So just wanted to end it on that. All right, till next time.